friends, welcome back to Hosted by Krissy. Today I'm sharing with you my largest Dollar Tree haul that I've ever shared. I don't typically share all of the items that I purchase when I do my Dollar Tree hauls because I just don't see that some of them are relevant to what my channel is all about. But today is a little different. I'm going to share all of the items, and hey, make sure you share this video with any Dollar Tree fans that you know that have not found my channel yet. I hope you enjoy today's haul and stay tuned. The first part of the haul that I'm going to share are the cleaning products that I picked up. There aren't very many, just a couple. I don't typically purchase cleaning products unless they're the little flat packs of like Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes. But other than that, I haven't really ventured out too much. But I did see another YouTuber with this product and I was kind of impressed with it, so I decided to try it. This is the Awesome Oxygen. It's kind of like OxyClean, but a third of the price. So I actually bought two of them and I have tried it, and let me tell you, it works exactly like the regular OxyClean, if not a little bit better. I don't know about you, but I'm still doing a bit of spring cleaning around my house. I picked up some more dusters. I ran out of these. These work really great and they're a lot less expensive than the name brand. I like to keep these window wipes on hand because my dog loves to put his nose on the door. So I do like to keep these for like my patio door and just for touch-ups on glass. My husband misplaced his lint brush, so I bought him this one. It's not as heavy as the one that he had, but I'm sure it'll work just fine. If not, then it's $1, so it's not a big loss. I also picked up a few personal items for myself. So I grabbed this little microfiber hair towel wrap. We'll see if it fits my hair and my head. So it was only $1 again because it's at Dollar Tree, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. If it's absorbent. I did see these on an As Seen on TV show some time ago, so we'll see how this one works out. I usually use those Biore nasal strips when I do facials, but I decided to try these little charcoal strips. First time I've ever noticed them at Dollar Tree. So we'll see what happens with those. These were you get 3 strips for $1, and I think the Biore you get 5 strips, but they're like $12. So I have really sensitive skin, so I'm taking a chance with this one. This is an oatmeal and lavender soap. It does smell wonderful. I did compare ingredients to a name brand soap that I've actually bought at Whole Foods, so we'll see what happens with that one. And the package is really pretty too. I love this little e.l.f. matte lip color. It's kind of like a lip crayon, and I got this one in Rowdy Rouge. So it'll be a little bit brighter than the color I'm wearing, but it was worth a shot for $1. I grabbed 2 bath brushes. This is a pumice stone brush, and it has like a little file on the end of it, and also just a clear acrylic handle bath brush. In addition, I grabbed the little clear handle face brush. I also picked up a gel eye mask. These are wonderful to soothe your eyes on one of those days where you have a little bit of a headache or just a little bit of fatigue in the eye area. Dollar Tree also has the Kiss nail polish back in stock in spring colors. So I did grab a few bottles of that, just some of my favorites. And a black auto eyeliner by LA Colors. These eyeliners are auto sharpeners and they work wonderfully, and they're really easy to remove when you're removing your makeup. One more surprising item that I found at Dollar Tree is this Amopé Petty Perfect. These are very expensive in regular drugstores. My Dollar Tree had these for $1. I picked up a few of them. The last personal item I picked up is the bath soap Epsom salt and a vanilla scent. I love the little container that these came in. I also picked up a few candles. I have this unscented plain white candle. It comes in like a little glass jar, and they're pretty tall. I'd say about 10 inches tall. I also found this adorable round candle. It's unscented. I only picked up one. I also grabbed 4 of the Rose Collection candles. These candles come in several different scents. This one is Spring Berry. I grabbed Pomegranate Noir, and let's see what this one is. This one is Coconut Seaside, and I love that little container, the decor on there. It says Mermaid Kisses. And the last one is Current. I picked up one of the ceramic candlesticks. These came in white and black. I only picked up one because I do have one white one that my sister got for me a month or so ago. And just because I have several DIYs coming up, I have quite a few DIYs planned. So I've got some more of the wall stickers. These are kind of like wall clings. These are kind of a pink metallic, and they're all butterflies. And then this one, you can see it's kind of a huge feather, and it's got hearts in it, and it's gold. I also grabbed one small roll of diamond wrap in silver, and you get 9 feet on here. That's a really good deal for that. I found this cute little sign. I have the little box version of this, but I thought this one was cute, and I can use this one in another area of my home. I also found one 11 by 14 wall mirror. I'm still looking for a couple more of these. These are really hard to find, so I'm taking it that lots of people are using this for DIYs. And last but not least, I have one 11 by 14 inch frame. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care.